In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hip-hop music with Suno AI. Suno AI is especially strong for hip-hop because it handles rap vocals, trap beats, hip-hop flows, melodic hooks, and a range of styles from drill to boom bap. I'll walk you through a clear process so you can go from a blank page to a polished draft you'll be proud to share. Start by heading to Suno AI, log in, and click Create. Switch to Advanced Mode. Advanced mode gives you more control over the sound and direction of the track, which is exactly what you want for hip-hop where groove, attitude, and lyric placement really matter. Next, pick your hip-hop style. This choice sets the foundation for everything else. If you're after a modern club feel with booming low-end and fast hi-hats, choose trap hip-hop. For a throwback feel with crunchy drums and lyrical focus, go with classic boom bap. If you want something mellow and atmospheric, pick chill or lo-fi hip-hop. For darker, urgent energy and sliding bass, try drill hip-hop. And if you're aiming for tuneful choruses and sing-rap vibes, select melodic hip-hop. Choose the style that best matches the story and mood you want to convey. Now add production keywords to guide the beat and performance. Think of this like giving a producer a brief. Include phrases such as 808 bass, punchy drums, hi-hat rolls, rap vocals, melodic hook, street vibe, dark atmosphere, and cinematic hip-hop. You can stack several of these together. Keep them concise and descriptive so Suno understands your direction clearly. Lyrics are optional but highly recommended because hip-hop works best with structure. Add a short, memorable hook for the chorus, then write a tight verse. Keep lines punchy, aim for clear rhymes, and let your rhythm support the flow you chose. For example, a melodic style benefits from longer vowels and simple repetition in the hook, while boom bap shines with bar-by-bar wordplay. If you're unsure, start with a 4-line hook and an 8 to 12-line verse. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will generate 2 versions, each with different vocal flows and beat patterns. Listen closely and pick the version with the strongest beat, the cleanest rap flow, and the best hook. Focus on clarity of the vocal, how the drums and bass hit, and whether the chorus sticks in your head after a single play. That's it. With the right style choice, targeted production keywords, and structured lyrics, Suno AI makes crafting a compelling hip-hop track fast, creative, and fun.